Orleans, everybody knows Magazine Street. It's full of history and restaurants. And you'll find some of the best of both at this local landmark, Casamento's, where they've been doing it old school for close to 90 years.
Here y'all go.
Is this like the appetizer bar?
Just starting on my first dozen.
I love the raw oysters here.
It's like a tradition. It's historic. You're just gonna split them? All right.
I'm here for the best.
The place is just busting out of the seams here.
And it's been that way since 1919, when original owner Joe Casamento shucked his first oyster here.
And this is the way it's always been?
Always been.
And third-generation owner C.J. Gertis is still shucking them like Grandpa did.
Customers come in here, right? As soon as they see guys shucking, they'll look over the counter and say, how they looking today?
Do you like the big ones or the little ones?
At Casamento's, they all taste good.
Is there a shucker number 1 and a shucker number 2?
He's number 1.
He's number 1.
He's number 1. Best in the city.
5-time champ?
That'd be Mike Rogers.
Number 1 sucker.
Right there. Go. Okay, that was the first one in 6 seconds. 2 in 12 seconds. That's 6 in 34 seconds. That's 8. And this will round out 10 in a minute and 5 seconds. And you need more people? You put it up against this thing? Okay, so you're holding it open like that and then just give it a little flick over.
Use it with your
Let
thumb.
your thumb do the work. Okay, there we go. Like that.
There you go.
Now it doesn't look like a frog in a blender.
Did good.
I always start off with raw oysters.
They're the best.
Just a plate and a setup.
This is called the setup. Elaborate.
All the condiments and everything on the table already.
They just give you all the ingredients and you mix it.
Everything from horseradish to hot sauce.
Mine's half horseradish and half ketchup.
A whole lot of lemon.
I put ketchup, hot sauce, and horseradish. They're really good.
And then just,
Down it goes.
wow, that's nice and smooth.
That's always the sandwich, yeah.
It's just such a fresh, vibrant flavor. How many oysters does the average shucker do in a day?
We'll go through, like on a Friday, a busy day, about 25 sacks. That's 120 oysters in a sack.
Wow, that's a lot of shucking.
No choice. A lot of the regulars can't wait to come back, which makes it pretty tough on them in the summer.
3 months and you guys just click and everybody goes on vacation?
Everybody gets depressed.
We ride by to see when the sign is out that they're going to be back.
Let's find a spot. It looks like it's open.
So when you come, you have a couple dozen raw. And then the loaf, and that's the perfect dinner.
I had an oyster loaf.
Oyster loaf?
It's not like a meatloaf either.
What it is a mess of fresh fried oysters on 2 slabs of fresh bread.
We open them early in the morning to fry.
So you're shucking fresh oysters to fry also?
Right. Put them in my corn flour and my salt.
So real precise measurement technique?
Just a handful.
Okay. We're not going to hit them in the egg wash or anything? We're just,
Not the oysters.
just drop them in a bunch of them. We have these things called deep fat fryers? Okay. Just want to make sure. You're just going to keep doing it the same way?
Oh, yeah. Old-fashioned pots. Use pure lard. Don't use any kind of oil. This is the bread we use right here.
I don't know that I have seen a loaf of bread not sliced.
It's actually made this morning.
And I don't know that on Triple D I've seen anybody whip out the holiday carving knife either.
Oh, yeah. Bread comes this soft.
There's no cutting it with
There's
anything
no cut it
else.
with anything else. We just push it down. It's toasted under an open fire.
We toast both sides. A little butter.
You can have it plain or you can have it dressed.
Would you like it dressed? Lettuce, tomato, and mayo?
Why don't we make 1/2 dressed and 1/2
One half
plain?
plain?
There you go. I don't even know if I can get through 1/2. I feel that Philly hunch coming in. I mean, a little privacy. Oh, my God. Boy, that's fresh tasting.
Can't get any fresher.
The arm, in case you want some of it. Anybody tells me that they don't like oyster sandwiches, let them go to Casamento's.
Come Casamento.
I want to have them have a little talk with CJ.
That's right.
Look at that.
And what a lot of people put on there is that Tabasco. It really kicks in.
I like the way you roll. Or the way you loaf.
So I'm here in South Louisiana. Every time I come here, I think about the first time I went to New Orleans. Went to this place called Casamento's, had more oysters than you could imagine. So every time I come back down to this area, I'm here in Baton Rouge, I'm thinking about oysters. And I heard about a joint. They've been around since the 50s, and then went quiet for a while. It was closed. They brought it back just like it was. They say it's the real deal. This is Phil's Oyster Bar and Seafood Restaurant.
Barbecue shrimp pasta, table 12, Frederick.
Louisiana's got the best seafood, and the best seafood in Baton Rouge is at Phil's.
Plating up 1 soft shell crab.
It's just spectacular.
Loud, crazy, fun.
Going
you know
all the
everybody
time.
in here.
Food's delicious. Makes you come back.
Got a meatball pull by 30 seconds out.
Everyone's got a story about Phil's.
We got generations coming through.
And that fan base has been building since 1945, when Phil Tuminello opened a seafood market that expanded into this joint. Eventually, it was sold to Gus Piazza, and now it's in the hands of Gus's son, Anthony.
He got sick in 2007 and unfortunately passed away. We shut the restaurant down because of it.
So you reopened it 9 years later?
Yeah, it's been blowing and going ever since.
All with the help of Chef Alf Heimbach. Chef, what are we having today?
Crawfish cheesecake.
What?
Exactly.
So a savory cheesecake.
Savory cheesecake.
Who ever thought of putting cheesecake and crawfish together?
It's hard to describe, but until you taste it, you're like, dang, that's good.
Tell me about this cheesecake. That's an appetizer?
Yes, sir. We're making our Creole seasoning, paprika, salt, garlic,
black pepper,
oregano,
thyme,
cayenne,
white pepper.
White pepper.
I got you.
So this is going to be part of the crust. Italian breadcrumbs.
Parmesan cheese.
And then the melted butter.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
Everything we would do to a graham cracker crust.
Put it into the bottom of this springform pan, but we're going to chill this to make the butter hold the crust together.
And basically our crust is done.
Right. Cream cheese into the food processor. Add an egg at a time. Cream. While that's getting to the right texture, this is smoked Gouda, Fontina cheese, grated Romano, grated Parmesan.
Got it.
Sauteed onions and garlic. Green onions. This is a lobster base.
That lobster base is so strong, he makes sure that he has that completely worked through it versus how this will mix together with a spatula.
Lemon juice and a little white pepper. Pour that into the bowl. Louisiana crawfish tails.
Okay. It'll add some texture into this.
Now we're adding that to our crust. Cover with foil.
And we are going to bake this.
At 350 for 45 minutes. Remove the foil so that we can get the right color.
Then we pull it.
Yes, sir. It has to rest for at least 3 hours before you cut it.
Otherwise, it's just going to be
crawfish dip.
Yeah. What do we serve it with?
Creole Meunier. Gonna go veal demi-glace, white wine, lemon juice. While that's working, we're gonna start a hollandaise.
Okay.
Pasteurized egg yolks, lemon juice. I actually temper the eggs.
And you're just going to do this right on top of the grill. This guy's a gangster.
You want to get to the point where you can see the bowl when you make the stroke.
We're about ready for butter on that one, Chef. Can we drop it?
Yes, sir.
Look at that.
Then we're gonna finish that with salt and white pepper. Hold this at a warm temperature so the butter doesn't try to solidify.
Okay.
We have hollandaise here. We're gonna add the melted butter.
I'm the drizzler. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Kosher salt, little cayenne pepper.
Gorgeous, Chef. Cheesecake will get done chilling.
Put it on a sheet pan and bake it enough.
Just to heat it enough. I'm eating cheesecake for you guys.
This Creole Meunier sauce, crawfish cheesecake.
And hollandaise.
Garnish, there we go.
I'm trusting you right now, Chef. We're in the trust tree.
100%.
It's delicious. That is so rich, and there is so much flavor. It's silky, great amount of cheese, perfectly seasoned. Good amount of the crawfish inside there. You're actually really happy when you get that little nugget. The sauces complement it incredibly well. The crust plays a pivotal role. That's my kind of cheesecake.
I've got a crawfish cheesecake right here, baby.
It's like big chunks of crawfish inside, and you dip your little cheesecake in the sauce.
I love it. Great restaurant.
So on the next stop of this Triple D New Orleans tour, here we are in the city of Harahan. Now, it's about 20 minutes from downtown New Orleans and about 10 minutes away from the River Shack Tavern that we shot just years ago. Now, when you drive by this place, first thing you're gonna say is, oh yeah, a shrimp and po' boy joint. Oh, don't judge a book by a cover for sure on this one, because they've got chapters of culinary good that you just gotta read about. This is Siler's Seafood.
I got a pecan salad.
It's where people that are from New Orleans go eat.
One boiled seafood platter.
All your favorite New Orleans style dishes done in Jason's way.
That's Jason Seither.
Make it snow.
Who grew up in the bayou, boiling crawfish with his dad and cooking in the kitchen with his mom.
I'm respecting the old school ingredients, but I'm just incorporating my own style into it.
Here's the volcano.
A volcano is actually something that I get almost every time we come.
It's a lot of familiar things presented in a way you never saw.
The volcano is basically like an upside-down Asian taco salad, if you can imagine.
Oh,
that.
you hear about those every day.
First, we're gonna make the blackening seasoning. I got some paprika right here.
Some paprika?
Black pepper, sea salt, parsley flakes, granulated onion, granulated garlic, and then the Italian seasoning.
Okay. So now we have the fresh ahi.
Right, this is local.
So if you can't get it fresh, you just won't be serving it?
That's exactly right.
The best attitude. We'll sear this off. Next up.
Spicy mayo, I call it dragon sauce, just to have a cool name. All it is mayo.
And sriracha.
I like to add a little bit of water to it because when I put it in the squeeze bottles, I could like draw with it.
I don't speak Cajun. That's how you say draw with it in Cajun?
Draw with it.
Next.
The crab salad.
Okay.
I'm taking this shredded connie that they use in sushi
Kanikama,
rolls.
Right, so this is pollock.
Take some of this sauce.
The Cajun measuring system.
Right. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make this volcano, all right?
On the edge of my seat.
Here we go.
Gorgeous.
Lay the tuna around here. Avocados, lettuce right in the middle. Put the shrimp on there. The spicy mayo that we made. Eel sauce, sriracha.
Dizzy.
Take the taco shell, turn it upside down. Put some of the snow crab salad on top of spicy mayo, eel sauce, a little bit more sriracha, and then I finish it off with sesame seeds. So that right there is the volcano. And
See, it just erupted. Interesting. Do you jump on it? Do you hit it with an elbow?
I mean, you just gotta go at it.
I was able to build a bite there, folks.
Right, so you got like a little nacho right there.
I don't care what you do with it. When you serve tuna that fresh, I mean, that's legit. That's really legit. I'm not a huge sauce guy, but I think this is a showstopper. I mean, people see this come out, they're gonna go, wow.
It's like an awesome little salad, and it looks cool, too.
Can I go?
Go for it, dude. All right, walking in the door, I got a volcano.
Jason's just sort of pushed the creative envelope.
Delicious, and you can feel like you're eating something special.
When you're cruising the coastal states like, California or Florida, there's usually two things people are looking for. That's good beaches and great seafood. And from what the locals tell us, we found both here at the Whale's Rib Restaurant in Deerfield Beach, Florida.
Pound of large stone, steam dip switch.
We're about 100 yards from the ocean. The fish is always fresh, always.
Mussels and garlic butter.
The rock shrimp is the best.
Best clam chowder since I was 8 years old.
Made the same way since owner Dale Stevenson,
Who had the oysters?
opened this joint almost 30 years ago.
A lot of repeat business from people when they were kids. Now they're 30 years old. They're coming back with their kids.
I've been coming here for 20 some odd years. It's exactly the same.
With a staff that keeps on coming back, too. How many years?
19.
What'd you do, start in kindergarten?
Yeah. Oh, I love you.
And kitchen manager John Keener.
We got 2 dozen raw oysters going to the bar side.
He's been here since '93.
If it's not fresh, you're not
We
carrying.
ain't having it.
I like the attitude.
I've got a medium and large stone crab here. They are in season right now.
Awesome crab cakes.
You haven't even been into it yet.
Yeah, I had one earlier. This is my second plate.
1 dozen oysters. Pick it up.
I've had oysters, but not fresh like this.
In the shell,
That's how I shot.
baked with Parmesan, and this classic,
Oyster Rockefeller.
done the Whale's Rib way.
Very good with the tomato.
With a tomato slab? Is that normal?
It's normal for them.
First of all, what type of oysters are we rocking out?
From the Gulf of Mexico.
Are they fresh?
Oh, definitely.
Did you shuck them here?
Yes, sir. Steamed spinach here.
Press the water out of it.
Definitely. You didn't want soup on your oysters. Give it a coarse chop. Go in the bowl with it.
Not starting out with the frozen. Okay, so fresh
Nope.
spinach steamed.
Diced onion. Italian breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Parmesan cheese. Teaspoon cayenne pepper.
Supposed to say like cayenne.
Cayenne pepper. About 1 ounce of black pepper. White wine. That's all she wrote.
Wow, so that's very spinachy.
Very much so. We're gonna put the Rockefeller mix on top of the oyster and the half
A
shell.
little tray wrapped in tin foil so you don't have to scrub it too hard.
Go easy on the dishwashers.
Holy pinch, Popeye.
Slice of tomato, a little provolone cheese.
Tomato.
Tomato, yeah. A little parm on top just to brown it up.
I have never seen it made this way. This is the most unique.
Welcome to Deerfield Beach.
Okay.
In the oven she goes.
So they're gonna go down for about 10 minutes?
A little under 10 minutes.
Nice and bubbly?
Yep.
Tomato?
Tomato, buddy, I'm telling you. Wait till you try it.
Look at the hot, molten lava of spinach and such. What do you think? Go for it?
I say go for it.
Good. Hot.
How's that tomato, huh?
Oh, that's good. I do enjoy the acid from the tomato. As odd as it sounds, it really does work in there. And the spinach is nice. You really do get real spinach out of that. That's a really good Rockefeller. It's the burnt cheese around the edge that gets you.
It's hot.
I'm here in Mobile, Alabama, in the Oakley Garden District. I mean, look at this neighborhood. So quaint, so quiet. And in the middle of it, there's a restaurant. Yeah, right in the middle. And not just any restaurant. Now, I hear this chef's got pedigree. I heard he was on Top Chef. I heard that he's really involved with the Alabama Seafood Commission, and he's cooked for 2 governors. Oh, this is the real deal. Welcome to the Hummingbird Way Oyster Bar.
Place is off the hook, Weed. Triple D.
Panini Pete?
We have an oyster bisque.
Anyone that likes innovative menus knows about this place.
It's typical Southern food, but then it's combined with really exotic flavors.
Lamb for table 30.
What Jim does back there, it is magic.
And Chef Jim Smith has been casting his spells on the scratch-made menu since he opened the place in 2020. How do you describe the restaurant?
Homemade food, but not too stuffy about it.
I dig it.
Raw oysters ready to go.
Yeah, it is an oyster bar, but there are quite a few things more. You have the rabbit.
Creole braised rabbit.
Everything that he puts in it is just so delicious.
You were the chef of the state?
The executive chef for the state of Alabama for 2 different governors. It's a cool job as representative of all things Alabama food.
Overachiever.
He finds the things that are near the restaurant, local farm to table or ocean to table.
All right, flounder's coming up.
You have the whole fried flounder, herbs and peanuts, and curry sauce.
Let's jump into it.
The first thing we're gonna start off by making is a shrimp stock.
Okay.
We have some Alabama brown shrimp.
Onion and celery and fennel.
Star anise.
This guy's like Captain Star Anise.
Bay leaf and fennel prawns.
And some water. All right, how long is this gonna cook?
An hour to draw all that flavor out of the shrimp.
Strain it off, and this is gonna be the foundation of this red curry sauce?
Yes.
Love it.
This is gonna be the curry paste. Ginger, galangal,
Gonga.
lemongrass, a whole garlic clove, fish sauce, soy sauce, shallot, Thai chilies, raw sugar, cinnamon, lime juice, white pepper, cumin and coriander. This is ketchup.
This I didn't see coming. What's our next step?
This sauce, oil, julienne onion,
Green bell pepper,
garlic goes in next,
salt,
mirin.
curry paste that we made,
Add a little bit of the shrimp stock.
and some coconut milk. Let this reduce down a little bit. What's our final step here, Chef?
Right now we're gonna steam some clams. Start off with white wine, a couple of cloves of garlic, bay leaf in here.
No, bay leaf from you?
Fresh thyme, our little neck clams.
All right, so what do we do with this flounder here?
Just gonna score both sides of it.
What are we gonna dredge it in?
Flour, white pepper and salt, egg wash, and then a mixture of cornmeal, corn flour, and flour.
Fry the flounder?
For about 10 minutes, and we're just gonna finish this sauce. Got the clams, they are nice and opened up, and we'll take the curry, parsley in here, arugula,
Wild man, you.
roasted and salted peanuts,
This is just getting weirder as we go.
clam sauce right over the top. Spring onion on there, Thai basil, fresh mint, finish with some flowers.
It is gorgeous, I will tell you that. Peanuts are awesome inside of it. The curry is worthy of a Thai Vietnamese restaurant. The clams, delicious. Chef, nice job.
Thank you. Curried flounder and clams.
It's lightly fried, where it's satiating, but it's not heavy.
Flounder is so fresh. It's flaky, very, very tender, and delicious with the curry sauce.
Is this a normal Mobile restaurant?
It's hidden. You
Right.
kind of have to know where you're going to find it.
You're driving along, it's house, and then restaurant. I mean, just to be able to roll right out of your house, I had to go broke here.